Hi friends, myself Nutan and I welcome you all to my channel Exploring the World of Investment. My today's topic is the health insurance, which is very crucial and important. Why? Because it's like a security guard for our investment or wealth which we have created over the period of time. So it saves our investments. So what is health insurance? It's a agreement wherein insurance company agrees to compensate for medical expenses and the hospitalization expenses incurred by the insurer. So these insurance companies are having tie-up with many of the leading hospitals from where the insurer can get cashless services, cashless treatment, okay, and where they don't have the tie-up, the companies reimburse the medical expenses on producing the medical expenses. So health insurance is very important for individual for to protect himself or herself and their family. So what is the right age for starting health insurance? The answer is the right age, you can say 25 years. Okay, you should insure always your parents and yourself. Fine. So as young and as healthy you are, your premium is on a lower side and the cover you get on a higher side. That is the scenario. So whenever how much young and healthy you are, you should get the health cover. You get it at a very lower rate. So now if you see, at younger age we don't have the diseases also, we don't have the any health issues. So for medical also we don't face any issues, and the insurance company can go with the health policy for you. Why we should go for health insurance? Point number one, as young and healthy you are, there are no any diseases. Okay, so there are no risk of hospitalization, so you will get a higher cover and a less premium. Okay, second thing, if suppose you are taking a policy and if you don't fall ill for first year and you have paid the premium, many people say अरे गया फुकट गया मेरा प्रीमियम, तो मैंने एक साल का भरा, कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. सेकेंड ईयर अगेन यू फील द सेम, अरे मैं सिर्फ प्रीमियम ही भर रहा हूँ, कुछ इलनेस आता नहीं, आई एम जस्ट वेस्टिंग माई मनी. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. Okay, because there is one a good point. If suppose you don't fall ill after taking the policy, you are eligible for the no claim bonus. Okay, no claim bonus means you get a additional cover. Okay, so if suppose you have taken policy in 2020 and at the time till 1 year, that is till to 2020, you don't fall ill. So what happens is, when you are going for renewal, you get the no claim bonus. What is no claim bonus? The no claim bonus means at same premium you get a higher cover. Okay, company gives you a no claim bonus. So that is the additional benefit. So in the same premium, you are getting more coverage. Now next question comes. Many people say I am covered with my corporate insurance, the corporate insurance policy. So myself I am covered, my family members all are covered, my parents are covered, my wife, husband, my kids, and many companies cover in-laws as well. So they say ki okay, then I am okay with that corporate. Why to take a separate insurance policy? But the question is no. You should have a personal insurance cover. Why? Because till you are with that associated with one corporate, your corporate health insurance policy continues. Once you leave that organization, your policy gets terminated. Okay, many people say I will continue with the same corporate policy, I'll get it converted in my personal name. Then my friends, there is one clause we should understand. The every policy there is a waiting period clause is always there. Whenever you take a policy, there is a waiting time to cover particular illnesses. So many companies are having it's 1 to it varies from the 1 to 4 years. So when you leave the organization and if you convert that the same corporate policy into individual names, these waiting period clause also get reset. So this is the very important. So that's why you should have at least some insurance cover on your personal basis beside corporate cover. So what is the ideal cover you should go with? So, if suppose for a family of 4 members, you should at least have a cover of 10 lakhs. Okay. So, 10 lakhs cover at least you should have. Whenever you feel you can top up. Many times we see that as our age grows, there are many illnesses gets connected, like diabetes, BPs is the common. If you face any other illnesses, then it is very difficult to get the insurance cover. So better you should start at the early age. Again, you should one more point which I would like to tell you is at higher age the premium is also higher side. So that's why you should always have two insurance policies. That is for parents. If you are looking for the parental insurance, then keep parental insurance separate than your insurance, because insurance companies charges a premium on the basis of the age of the higher person. Okay, so parental insurance you should go with the mom and father, you should have a one insurance policy, and for your family you should have go with the second policy, because the younger age the premium is lower. If the insurer is less than 60 years old, he get the tax benefit under 80D of Income Tax Act. Okay, he get the exemption up to 25,000. If suppose he takes a policy on parent's name, then he gets the exemption up to 50,000. If suppose he has two policies, that is one is on his name, that because he is below 60 and parents are above 60, so he can get the exemption up to 75,000, because parental insurance is 50,000 and his insurance exemption is of 25,000, so which totals to 75. Fourth scenario, wherein the insurer is also 60 years plus his parents are also 60 years plus. In that case, he is eligible for exemption under 80D up to rupees 1 lakh, because 50k for himself and 50k for his parents. So this is the tax benefit. Now we will see what are the important points you should compare before going for any insurance companies. First point is the hospital network. You should see that how many hospitals the insurance companies have the tie-up. Second point is the cashless services, cashless treatment. If they don't have the surplus amount, then cashless service or treatment is very, very important. So this is the second point. Third point, you can think of the pre and post hospitalization. So once you get the hospitalized, so before, many companies cover 30 days before the hospitalization, and post hospitalization means once you get the discharge, you are covered till the 60 days treatment expenses up to 60 days. So you should also compare the pre and post coverage of the pre and post hospitalization coverage included into the policy. Fourth point, we can see that the claim settlement ratio. Every company has their claim settlement ratio that you should compare, that you can get it online. If suppose any company is having this ratio of 94%, so what is that 94%? It means out of 100 people, 100 claims, company has settled 94 claims in all. So that indicates the claim ratio. So you should also compare what is the claim ratio before going with any company. You should also see for the co-pay clause. Co-pay clause means many insurance companies are having a clause wherein they say if you get hospitalization, say 20% we have to bear the expenses, 80% company will pay, 20% individual will pay. So that you should take care of. You should see that clause as well, because you should go with the policies where they have total cashless facility. This is also very important point. And also see for the any clauses or capping mentioned into the policy documents, because many insurance companies for room rent they are having the cappings, and so that also we should see for. The next point is daycare services. What is daycare services? If suppose if you go to the hospital for cataract operation, that is a one day job, तो बहुत सारे कंपनीज वो कवर करते हैं. सम कंपनीज आर नॉट गिविंग योर डे केयर सर्विसेज. सो डे केयर फैसिलिटी ऑल्सो यू शुड टेक केयर ऑफ. You should see when you go through the policies, you should see for that point. Next point is the waiting period. ये waiting period क्या है? यानी suppose if you are having any pre-existing diseases, तो वो कवर करने के लिए कंपनीज सेज दैट दिस इज द वेटिंग पीरियड, लाइक 1 year to 4 years उनका नॉर्मली रहता है. तो ये भी हमें देखना है कि whenever you take the policy, this waiting period should be कम से कम होना चाहिए टू कवर अवर प्री एग्जिस्टिंग डिसीजेस. Next point is the restoration. This is the new, this is many companies provides this restoration facility, some companies don't provide. So just see for that restoration benefit also. Restoration benefit means if suppose one insurer consumes whole limit of his insurance. Suppose the policy has taken for 5 lakhs rupees and he consumes all the limit, okay, and the same year उनकी wife also falls sick and she needs 3 lakhs rupees. Then company restore the policy with 5 lakhs rupees. Okay, so they can take the this advantage of this facility. But there is one clause that the same person who has exhausted the limit again falls sick in the same financial year, for then company will not pay them. But other than that person, if other person gets sick, falls sick, then company will provide the restoration benefit. Okay, then I said the no claim bonus as we discussed earlier. If suppose you are taken a policy and first year we are not used any policy, second year also you are not used your policy, then company provides the no claim bonus. It means in the same insurance cover, in same premium you get the higher coverage. So coverage means the amount of financial protection and the premium means whatever amount you are paying for that cover. So again the next advice is you should not merge, you should not go with the family floater policy with your parents, because as we discussed earlier, insurance premium gets counted on the basis of the age. As higher the age, the insurance premium is on a higher side. So always keep your policy and your parents' policy separate. Right? So these are the points. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment box, and please share this video with your near and dear ones, and please go for health insurance. If you are not taken health insurance, don't depend on your corporate insurance at all, because personal insurance is very important. Yeah, thank you very much. See you in the next video.